Let's go through another subtopic. Solving equations having the variable on both the sides, right? We saw in the earlier case that the variable was on one side. So we saw this example where 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. In this equation, variable was only on one side. Now you have an equation where you have variable on both the sides. See, you have variable here also and variable here also. So actually there is no major change. It's very simple concept. Assume that you have, I'll take the same chocolate example. So assume that you have dairy milk silk chocolate here, which is nothing but x. And we have another dairy milk silk chocolate here, another x, right? Which is on the other side of the equal to sign. Now, you have one variable here, one variable here. You have one chocolate here, you have one chocolate here. You want to count them. So normally what we do, we'll bring it to the same side. We'll bring both the chocolates together so that we can count them. Here it is easy to count because you just have one chocolate and one chocolate. What if there were 500 chocolates here? What if there were 500 chocolates here, right? And there was, say, 550 chocolates here, right? What you had 500 chocolates here and 550 chocolates here. How would you have done? So you'll bring all the chocolates in one place and then add them up. So similarly, here also we are going to use the same concept. We are going to bring both the variables, that is both x, to one side, and all the other numbers we are going to push it the other side, right? We pushed all these numbers to the other side. So let's take an example. So you have equation like this. So you have variable here and variable here. So what we are going to do, first step, bring all these x's together. Bring all the chocolates together on one side. It can be any side. You can put it on the left side or you can put it on the right side. It doesn't matter. But get them together. So what we'll do now, we'll first shift x. We are getting them together. 2x. We want to bring this x here, right? Shift x. So what will happen? Now this is an addition. So when it comes to the other side, what's going to happen? You will get x for sure, right? But what is going to happen? Is it going to be plus sign or minus sign? It is going to be minus sign because this is an addition. When you shift it, it's going to become subtraction, opposite thing. Now we have shifted this and we already have minus 3 here. Let's not forget this. We already have minus 3. And then since x is shifted, we are left only with 2, correct? So we shifted x here and we got this. And then we have minus 3 already. Since we shifted x, we are left with only 2. Now what we can do is, we can shift minus 3 also to the other side, right? Or we can first calculate this. We can calculate this. 2x minus x. This is nothing but 1x, right? If there is nothing, you assume that there is 1. 2x minus 1x. What is it? 1x, right? It's 1x minus 3 is equal to 2. 1x is nothing but x only. X minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we just want to find x, right? So we'll have to push this. We'll have to shift this here. For that, we'll write x equal to, what is there? 2. Now we do the shifting. After we copy what is there on the right hand side, then we do the shifting. So minus 3 when it comes here, it's going to become plus 3. So x is equal to 5. Another example, right? 5x plus 7 by 2. Same thing. We want to bring this x's together. Let's shift 3 by 2x to this side. What's going to happen? If there's nothing here, we assume there is plus, right? So when it goes to the other side, it's going to become minus 3 by 2 into x. And then we already have 7 by 2 here. And then we have minus 14 here. We shifted this portion. Minus 14 is still remaining here. Now we'll copy the same thing and we'll shift this here now. We don't want this. We just want the x variable on the left hand side. We'll shift this here. So it's going to be minus 14. There is plus 7 by 2. So it will become minus 7 by 2. Now we'll calculate. We'll take the LCM. So it's going to become into 2 times, right? 2 is the LCM. So it's going to be 2 times 5 into 2, 10x minus 3x is equal to, again we can take an LCM here, right? So it's going to go 2 times minus 14 into 2 minus 28 minus 7. So this is going to be minus 35 by 2 and 7x by 2. So we got 7x by 2 is equal to minus 35 by 2. Now again we need this x alone, right? So we'll have to shift 7 by 2 to the other side. Now we'll take 1 by 1, right? We'll first take this denominator 1. We'll clear off this denominator. So you have division here and 2 is the denominator. So when it goes to the other side, it's going to become multiply, right? Divide will become multiply. So what's going to happen? You'll have 7x here minus 35 by 2 into 2. 2 is coming to the right hand side. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, right? So we'll have minus 35 and we'll have to shift 7 here. Now this 7x is nothing but 7 into x. So when you shift, it's going to be under division. Multiply is going to become division. And this is in the numerator, so it's going to get into the denominator. So x is equal to minus 35 by 7. Now on cancelling, 7 ones are 7 fives are, we're going to get x is equal to minus 5. So I hope this video has helped you in grasping the concepts of linear equations. Thanks for watching.